Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the present continuous to talk about the future. Let's look at my diary for next week. So, I'm playing tennis on Monday. I'm going to the dentist on Tuesday. And I'm meeting Kate on Friday. So if I'm playing tennis on Monday, I must have arranged it beforehand. You need 2 people to play, so I must have spoken to my friend. We booked the tennis court. It's reserved. So it's planned, it's organized, it's arranged. I'm playing tennis on Monday. I'm going to the dentist on Tuesday. I don't like the dentist, but I telephoned the office. I'm going to the dentist next Tuesday. It's arranged, it's booked. The action started before, when I made the appointment last week. I'm going to see the dentist next week in the future. So the action started before now, in the past. It finishes after now, in the future. So we're in the middle of this present continuous activity that started before speaking and finishes after speaking. And I'm meeting my friend Kate on Friday. We arranged it before, it happens next week. Again, we're in the middle of this present continuous situation that started when we made the arrangement and it finishes when I meet Kate next Friday. So, present continuous to talk about the future. I'm playing tennis on Monday, I'm going to the dentist on Tuesday, and I'm meeting Kate on Friday. English grammar, the present continuous to talk about the future. It's easy peasy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.